Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Thank you for your support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now XRP, I'm going to try and make this update relatively quick because I've got to go out. It's my son's birthday party. So right now XRP, it is adhering to this level of resistance that I dropped in for you yesterday, so it's struggling to get above that. Also equally, you know, you're hitting your head on the EMAs on the hourly time frame, and you're struggling to get through those as well. Yeah, so it is looking for sort of a retest of support at the moment, but in doing so, what you're doing here is you're forming a beautiful falling wedge at the moment. So I do anticipate that if you do start to break this level of resistance right here for XRP, you've got some kind of falling wedge on the go at the moment. If you do start to break this trend line, okay, this could be a nice little relief rally here, coming back up to where you form this. Because you're doing something like this, look, boom, 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 you're coming down. Let's say you roll over and come all the way down to 99 cents, which is, I think it's a technical target out of a horizontal that you fell out of. So let's say you do continue and you do something like this, okay, over, you know, the next sort of day or so, and then next week we start to break out of this. We're going to see a lovely little relief rally up to this level here, and that could be around about $1.16. So come to your charts, draw this particular trend line, okay, you see a lovely little relief rally, come back up to where you form this, and at that point I think you know, you crab up there basically over the next week or so, and then potentially another dump. This is what I'm looking at, some kind of ABC correction right there for XRP. Potentially, this is what I'm looking at, okay? So I'll always try and find you the little angles between, but one thing you do need to pay attention to moving forward, okay, is the daily RSI, okay? And if you remember what I said to you when you was up here overextended, I said, look, you're very overextended, you're very overbought, you're looking for a correction, and you know, when it comes back down, back into the medium line, you know, that's always a good place to enter, isn't it? The absolute optimal place, if you can get it, obviously, is in the floor. Like I've always shown you, look, when you're in the floor, it's optimal entry point. And like I said to you, look, the stock doesn't hang around down there for too long, you know, the optimal entry points basically. So what we're looking at, if we can, you know, in this correction, if we can get the RSI back down in this floor here, and with the stock being in the floor as well, fantastic entry point for you. Again, not financial advice, okay, not financial advice. So potentially that's what I'm looking for, potentially, okay. So again, it is all a big if, what, maybe, isn't it? You know, and we could actually bounce here and continue, but if you do continue to sort of roll over and, you know, depreciate, and you meet some of them technical targets down there at 85 cents. If you lose this key level support right now, the 0382, and come down and wick down to the 050, you know, that's where you're going to see the RSI come back down into this floor here. And for me, that would be an absolute optimal entry point, you know, for XRP, because at that point I think you're going to explode here for XRP. And again, not financial advice, you know, I ain't got a crystal ball, but these are the things you look for in the charts. Optimal entry points all the way down here. I was saying you optimal entry point, okay, and it came boom, look at that, you know. And right now it works in waveforms, look, wave like this, like this, like this, like this, you know, that's XRP. So yeah, really quick little simple update for you today. Keep an eye on the RSI. There is a particular level of support just there where you're bouncing off. Let me drop this in, look, so I can show you in a previous corrective wave just here. You can see this is acting as a major key level support, okay. So look, in this corrective wave you came up, came down, where did you find support? Just there, okay. And this wave here, initially when you came up, came down, where did you find support? Just there, okay. It's when you lose this support, you tend to have a much larger correction. Do you understand that? So this is bounce territory right now. So potentially, you know, you could be pushing into this week green, basically. That's what I'm trying to say to you. You could sort of look at this A, B, you know, we move into next week and put in a lower high basically up to this trend line, and then we have a C wave down which will bring this below, and you get that below, that'd be an optimal entry point for continuation right there. So yeah, that's XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Sorry the update's quite small, but I'm rushing. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.